just got back from the mailbox and okay, now without further ado, I'm gonna look inside this and open it. I'm like really excited. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? How cute is that? And it's so cute. I can't wait to like dive into this. Jeffree Star, oh my gosh. But I love his highlighter, it's amazing. It's so cute. Oh, Iggy BH Cosmetics, they're awesome. Cute. Oh my gosh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Is that what this one is too? I love eyeshadow. Yay. Morphe Lippy. Oh my gosh, this looks like the Taylor Swift red. Oh my gosh. Champagne highlighter. This kind of reminds me of Becca Cosmetics, so I'm like really excited to look into that more. Eye patches. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I've been dying to try some, so I'm really excited to try these ones. And then Ace Beauty. I've tried some Ace Beauty stuff. Their stuff is pretty, oh, those colors are stunning. Oh, how pretty those are. Those are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. What's this? Is this from, ooh. Oh, that is a beautiful shade. I think this is from Juvia's Place. Oh, what is this? Oh, more lipstick. Oh my gosh. Liquid lipstick. I should really try Taylor Swift look with this. Oh, and then eyebrows. Oh my gosh. From the Barbie ColourPop. Oh my gosh. I've never tried ColourPop's lippies, but I really wanted to, so I'm excited to try this. Safe for sensitive skin. Definitely me, so I'm super excited to try this. First Day Beauty. That's cool. Love it. And then Revolution Skincare. Oh, Appeal. I definitely want to try this. Eyeliner and lash adhesive. I'm normally allergic to a lot of the eyelash adhesives, but I'm not allergic to Duo. I'm all over this. I am so gonna try this. Morphe 2. Oh, lip gloss glaze. Oh, ColourPop. I love ColourPop. Wait. It's an eyeshadow palette. Pressed powder palette. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that screams me. I love these kind of colors. A skin tint. I'm excited for that. Huda Beauty. More dark lippies. Anytime I wear these, I feel like I look like Harley Quinn, which is kind of fun. Ooh, Icons from Hank and Henry. They've got some good stuff. Clay detoxifying mask. That's awesome. Ooh, remix for 2000s. Color palette, I love it. And then Play It Jewel. Is there anything better than ColourPop? I have yet to meet it. Oh my gosh. Thank you. The palette is beautiful. Concealer. This is good for my skin tone. Oh, Milani lip gloss. Hope you're having a great holiday season.